Okay, so now we're going to just practice switching over chords. So we're going to be going from the A major and we're going to be switching over to the D major. So before you even play the chords, it's a good idea just to get them fingers moving. So index finger's going to go over to where the middle one is, middle one's going to move down, and your third one's going to come in for that D shape. So just go forwards and back a few times. And again, if you need to use your index for the top two strings, practice doing it that way. Okay, so we're just going to play the pattern and then I'm going to shout change. We're going to try this at 70 beats per minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and get ready to change. D, 2, and back to A again. Okay, so what you might have noticed then, when I'm changing chords, on the last upstroke of each bar, so when I get to the end of the A, on this last upstroke, you can literally take your fingers off and get them ready to come down on the next shape, and you can do that with all chords as well. And then back, do the same thing on the way back. Okay, so this time we're going to go from bar 9, so we've got 4 more bars of A, then we've got 2 bars of E7, F sharp minor. Okay, so from the A shape to get to that E7, like I said before, you just want to switch them 2 fingers over, so your index goes to the top string and your middle finger comes down to the C string, and then your third finger needs to join in on the 2nd fret of the A string at the bottom. Okay, so just again, just get used to doing that. Switching them over. Right, so we'll practice again at 70 beats per minute, just going from the A to the E7. So 4 bars of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and get ready to switch. E7. Okay, and then what we're going to do is go to the F sharp minor. So you can go back to that A shape, and like I said, your third finger now is going to move from the bottom string up to the E string, and it'll give you that triangle shape with the F sharp minor. Okay, so let me just stop that click track. So you've got E7, and so just take your time and just see if you can get them shapes moving. So these 2 switch over and this finger comes up a string. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go back to the A on bar 9. We're going to do 4 bars of A, 2 bars of E7, and finish with the 2 bars of F sharp minor. You'll notice the very last bar is just 1 down strum. So we've got a full bar, and then we just stop on that down strum, and then there'll be a count of 3 before it comes back round again. So let's go from bar 9, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, so all together we're going to start again from the top. We're just going to speed it up to 80, a little bit quicker. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you got A, 2, 3, 4, to D, 1, 2, back to A again. 1, 2, and then we're going to do another 4 bars of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time to E7. 1, 2, and to F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Okay, we'll try it one more time at 90 beats per minute. We'll get that speed up. So back to the A, and after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Switch to D. 1, 2, and back to A again. 1, 2, and we're going to stay on A for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, to E7. 1, 2, and F sharp minor. 1, stop. Okay, so what you can do now, you can download the track and play along with it, see if you can get up to speed. The full speed is 115 beats per minute, so that'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then all you need to do is repeat that numerous times and you've got the whole song. So good luck.